Hello and welcome. Now in this video, we are going to be discussing using Google search templates in order to create custom reports and custom views. Now, if you go to any search engine, in particular the Google search engine, and you type in Google Analytics Solutions Gallery, you're going to see a result at the very first spot, and you're going to click that result. That's going to bring you into crowdsourced solutions from other people that have actually created different ways of viewing Google Analytics as well as working with the data. Now, if you have a particular solution that you're looking for, you can actually write that solution into the search bar to find out if there is an existing solution or view that has been created. Now, when you write your search result in, you'll see all of the reports that are going to be available to you, as well as reviews of that report and any comments from those that have actually used them. You can also take a look at the most popular reports, as they're likely to be well reviewed as well as high performing. There's also a recommended section, and you'll see that section at the bottom. Google divides its view of the solutions into dashboards, custom reports, and top segments. Now you'll see here that there is one bundle called the new Google Analytics User Starter Bundle. And you can go ahead and click that bundle. And you can actually import that bundle into your series of reports. You can decide to take any view, or you can select a specific view. Once you've done that, you'll click Create. You'll then see the new custom reports set up inside of the view that your account had by default. So to find different reports that have already been created and views that have already been created, you can use those that are already in existence, created by individuals that have been using them, so that you won't have to create custom segments or reports by scratch. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.